From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 31. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern. そうです which means it looks like something is about to happen. そうです has three meanings in N4. First, I heard that. Second, it looks like. Third, something is about to happen. We already learned the first one, I heard that, in the previous lesson. So today, we will learn the second and third one. So let's first look at the second one. It looks like. The second one, そうです appearance. It looks like. This second one means it looks like. We use this when we judge by what we see. So for example, you can say things like, it looks spicy, it looks delicious, and so on. So here is the grammar format. You can use e-adjectives and na-adjectives. As for e-adjectives, you have to drop the last letter e off and then add そうです. For example, if you like to say it looks cold, you have to use the e-adjective 寒い, but you have to drop the last letter e off and then add そうです. So it will be like this. 寒そうです. くなさそうです. This is the negative form. This is when you like to say it doesn't look cold. In that case, 寒くなさそう. So once again, you have to drop the e off and then add くなさそう. As for na-adjectives, you don't need to change anything, just add そうです. It looks quiet is 静かそうです. And this じゃなさそう is the negative form. It does not look quiet is 静かじゃなさそう. And you can omit this des. Without this becomes casual. With this, the sentence becomes polite. Now I will show you some example. That cake looks delicious. そのケーキはおいしそうです。Delicious is おいしい in Japanese. So you have to drop the last letter e off and then add そう。おいしい is e adjective. Second one, that cake doesn't look delicious. そのケーキはおいしくなさそう。Since this is a negative form, you need to add くなさそう instead. Next one, he looks healthy. 彼は元気そうです。Healthy is 元気 and this is na-adjective. Therefore, you don't need to change this part, just add そう。He doesn't look healthy. 彼は元気じゃなさそう。Since this is a negative form, add じゃなさそう instead. Now let's move on to the third one. Something is about to happen. So meaning is this, be about to. This means something will happen very soon. Here is the grammar format. Use a verb stem and then add そうです. Verb stem is like this. If you want to use a verb 食べます, drop the mas off and the remaining part 食べ. That's the verb stem. This is a negative form. This time add そうにない or そうもない. Using this grammar format, you can say things like, it looks like it's going to rain. Looks like the building is about to collapse, and so on. I will show you some example. The glass is about to fall. コップが落ちそうです. To fall is 落ちます in Japanese. Therefore, drop the mas off and use this remaining part, verb stem, and then add so. Next one. It doesn't look like it will rain. 雨は降りそうにありません。This is a negative form, therefore, add そうにありません instead. Now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. That man looks busy. あの男の人は忙しそう。Busy is e-adjective. 忙しい。Therefore, drop the last letter e off and then add so. Next one. They look very bored. 彼らは暇そう。暇 is na-adjective. So don't change this part. Just add so. Third one. The baby looks like he or she is about to cry. 赤ちゃんは泣きそう。This grammar format means something is about to happen. Therefore, drop the mas off and then use the verb stem. Verb stem is this 泣き. So use this verb stem and then add so. Next one. The tree looks like it is about to fall. 木は倒れそう。Again, this is the third grammar format. Something is about to happen. Therefore, use the verb stem, which is 倒れ, and then add so. Last one. The flowers look like they're about to bloom. 花はもうすぐ咲きそう。The verb stem is this 咲き. So use this stem form and then add so. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. あの男の人は忙しそう。彼らは暇そう。赤ちゃんは泣きそう。木は倒れそう。花はもうすぐ咲きそう。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。